Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to pot up a couple of plants here, one in a really cute planter that my mom got. I'm really excited about it. And the other one in a Terra Cotta. We have this Firestick Cactus. So we're gonna stick the Firestick Cactus into this Terra Cotta pot. And then we have this Echevaria. I'm not sure what kind it is. It has no label, but it was reaching for the light a little bit at the store. So I think it's gonna like it out in the sun. And then we're gonna put it in this cute little truck. It's got drainage holes in the bottom there. How cute is that? I'm gonna get some soil in this bucket because my mom's gonna be the one planting it up. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to find this online, but this is a moisture mulch. It's from their landscapers out in Queen Creek, Arizona. And then we're going to be using some of this Miracle Grow garden soil, specific for cactus, palm, and citrus.
Oh wow, look at this.
Yeah, it's super dry. That looks cute. I like it. Euphorbia tyrucali. Look at that, was root bound too. Look at that.
Yep.
Other plants in it.
Really?
Yeah, look at it. It's got weeds growing out of it.
Oh jeez.
You know, I'm thinking maybe to take this one out because it's dead.
Yeah.
We need a little bit more soil up in this pot. That good? Yeah.
Sure.
Okay guys, that is all. I'm gonna insert a cute little video of where we placed these plants in my mom's backyard. And in the meantime, be sure to like this video. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos from me posted in the future about all things plants, and maybe a few vlogs here and there. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks!